Try one.
There's water all through here. Water here, flooring has lifted. See water stains there. See, that's all wet. This is all wet. It's wet down here. You can see the water stain or damage or whatever there. Come over here. See water here. This is all wet. Wet here. You can see where there's rust or dirt or something. I need a light over here. Flashlight, anything. This is all wet down here. See, everything's wet. Can you hold the flashlight for a second?
Yeah.
We're here. I'm pointing towards. Yep, that's wet. It is. The line. Right there, that fitting. Can you shine the flashlight on that? That fitting right there.
Is that the right one? I can't tell.
Yep, see the water? That's where it came from. Alright, I'll get downstairs. Excuse me. You can see the water standing in the floor. There's water on the ceiling. There's water pulled up and dripping out of the light. It's all over the floor, the computer desk, underneath all this stuff. This rug is soaked. Our new sofa is soaked.
Oh, go out. It's out in the basement.
It's on the TV. It's coming out of the ceiling above the TV. It's all out here. It's in the basement. Yes, awesome.
The washer and dryer.
It's too dark out here to pick anything up. The washer and dryer are covered. It's coming out of the ceiling above it.
Yeah. So. That's alright. That's lovely.
Washing machine's half full of water.
Yeah, that's what I was just getting ready to look at. That's how much water is.
Well, okay, why don't you step away? Come back inside. Those are a bad idea. It's all over here. We haven't done an assessment yet to see what all's broken.